When I walked through these doors in May 2023, I came alone. I had one dream: to become a skilled and compassionate nurse. But I had no idea that this journey would one day bring me here as the best graduate. It wasn't an easy journey. There were long days in class, assignments, cuts, examinations, and moments when I had to push myself harder than I thought I could. And most importantly, I wasn't only learning from books. Since I found lecturers who believed in me, I found people who kept encouraging me to keep going. The skills laboratories, library, computer labs, and practical training helped me turn what I learned in class into skills I can take into the real world. Today I live with a degree, but also I live with something more: knowledge, skills, confidence, and foundation to build my future. Being named Best Graduate is special to me, but behind that achievement are years of hard work, perseverance, and people who support my journey. So to the student wondering whether your dream is possible, I came here with mine. Today, I'm leaving ready to pursue it. And this is only the beginning. This is my MKU story. What will yours be?